Apple is doing a week of new releases, and the headline today is the MacBook Neo, their newest and cheapest entry into the MacBook lineup. The name is interesting because we've never heard it from Apple before. When it was leaked, many thought it was just a code name, but no, it's officially called MacBook Neo. The basics are it's a 13-inch laptop powered by the A18 Pro chip with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage to start. It's super thin and decently light, all aluminum. On the left side, there are two USB Type-C ports, not Thunderbolt, and a headphone jack, along with side-firing stereo speakers. It comes in 4 colors, indigo, blush, citrus, and silver, each with a whitish keyboard lightly tinted to match the laptop color. There's a 1080p webcam at the top, hidden in the bezel with no notch. Most importantly, the starting price is $599, which is the same as a Mac Mini, making it the cheapest entry-level Mac laptop so far. The big question is how the A18 Pro chip will perform in a computer. If you remember, it's the same chip as the iPhone 16 Pro from last year, though this is a binned version with a 5-core GPU instead of 6. For most daily tasks, web browsing, emailing, shopping, spreadsheets, it seems perfectly fine. It won't handle intensive video editing or heavy workloads, but light photo editing, multitasking, and general computing should be smooth. Think of it like a Chromebook, but made by Apple. If you're worried about RAM or USB-C instead of Thunderbolt, this probably isn't the computer for you. Battery life is quoted at around 16 hours, which is similar to the MacBook Air's 18 hours, so it seems solid. Why did Apple make this? The obvious answer is accessibility. Until now, the cheapest laptop was the MacBook Air with the M5 chip at $1,100. The MacBook Neo offers a lower entry point without feeling cheap. The build quality is excellent for the price, with a solid all-metal body and well-weighted hinge. A few small differences. The base 256GB model doesn't have Touch ID, just a lock button. And the trackpad is a traditional clicking one instead of haptic. The display is 13 inches, 500 nits, slightly above 1440p, 60 Hz, and the laptop weighs 2.7 pounds, similar to the slightly bigger MacBook Air. This laptop is perfect for students from high school to college, especially since the student discount drops the price to $499. Chromebooks have dominated this space, but now Apple offers a closer alternative at a better value. Compared to the base iPad, which costs $329 plus $250 for a keyboard, the MacBook Neo is a smarter choice for a full Mac experience. Looking back, this is essentially a reincarnation of the old 12-inch MacBook from about 10 years ago. That machine was thin and light, but limited by Intel's performance, making it hard to recommend. Now, Apple Silicon allows the same ultra-portable concept to actually work well. Similarly, the old Intel-powered trashcan Mac Pro failed, and the new Mac Studio finally delivers on that vision. For more content, subscribe my YouTube channel.